I need to talk to you about a planet called HD 189733b, and I need to do so calmly, even though there is nothing calm about this planet. HD 189733b is a planet like Earth is a planet, technically, in the sense that they are both large round objects orbiting stars, except that HD 189733b is an exoplanet 64 light-years away, and its weather forecast every single day reads as follows. Winds, 5,400 miles per hour. Precipitation, molten glass, moving sideways. Temperature, 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Chance of survival, absolute 0%. It rains glass, sideways, at 5,000 miles per hour. On a planet that is deep blue, a gorgeous, striking, deep cobalt blue, so beautiful from space that if you saw it on a screensaver, you'd think someone had gotten creative with Photoshop. But get close, and it will kill you in ways no horror movie has ever thought of. The most beautiful planet we've found is also the most actively hostile planet we've found. The universe has a flair for the dramatic, and I respect it. We are going to talk about this planet in detail. Buckle up, or don't. HD 189733b doesn't buckle anything. Segment 1. The Blue Marble from Hell. HD 189733b was discovered in 2005, orbiting a star in the constellation Vulpecula, which means little fox, which is adorable given what we're about to discuss. It is a hot Jupiter, a gas giant that migrated to a very close orbit around its host star, completing one orbit every 2.2 days. In 2013, the Hubble Space Telescope determined its color, deep blue, specifically a deep azure blue, similar to Earth's oceans, but for completely different reasons. Earth is blue because of liquid water reflecting blue light from the sky. HD 189733b is blue because its atmosphere contains silicate particles, tiny particles of vaporized rock that scatter blue light. The same blue. A completely different and significantly more murderous reason. It's raining. The rain is glass. The wind is blowing the glass at 5,400 miles per hour. There is no umbrella. There is no shelter. There is only the glass. Segment 2. The winds. A brief and terrifying overview. Let me put 5,400 miles per hour in perspective for you, because fast doesn't quite capture it. The fastest wind speed ever recorded on Earth was 253 miles per hour during Tropical Cyclone Olivia in 1996. That wind destroyed buildings. It snapped steel structures. It picked up objects and turned them into projectiles. HD 189733b's winds are 20 times faster than that. 20 times. The wind is moving at approximately Mach 7, 7 times the speed of sound. If you were somehow standing on HD 189733b, which you could not be because it's a gas giant with no surface to stand on, and also because you would be instantly obliterated. But if you were standing there, the wind would be moving so fast that the glass fragments in it would hit you at hypersonic velocities every second from every direction. The planet is, in essence, a hypersonic glass storm that looks like the Mediterranean Sea from the outside. This is the universe's greatest catfish. Segment 3. How do we know all this if we can't go there? Great question, and the answer involves telescopes being way better at this than you might expect. The color was determined by measuring the change in light when HD 189733b passed behind its host star and then emerged again. When it's hidden, we see only the star's light. When it reappears, we see star plus planet. The difference gives us the planet's reflected spectrum, which tells us which wavelengths it reflects, which tells us its color, blue. The atmospheric composition, the silicates, the chemistry, comes from transmission spectroscopy. When the planet passes in front of the star, starlight filters through its atmosphere. Different molecules absorb different wavelengths. By analyzing what wavelengths go missing, we read the atmosphere's chemistry like a fingerprint. The temperature and wind speeds come from mapping the thermal emission of the planet at different orbital phases. As the planet orbits, we see its day side, then its night side, then back. The temperature difference and the heat distribution pattern tells us how fast the atmosphere is moving and how much the winds are redistributing heat. All of this from 64 light years away, using light. We read an alien planet's weather report using light that passed through its atmosphere for a fraction of a second. If that doesn't make you proud to be a species, I don't know what will. Segment 4. What HD 189733b tells us about planetary atmospheres. HD 189733b is one of the most studied exoplanet atmospheres in history, precisely because it's so extreme. It's a test case, an extreme scenario that pushes our models to their limits. What we've learned from it applies to our understanding of all hot Jupiters, and more broadly, to how atmospheres behave under extreme irradiation, extreme temperatures, and extreme wind regimes. We now know that silicate clouds form at temperatures that hot Jupiters routinely reach. We know what those clouds do to a planet's color and reflectivity. We have real data from models that previously only had theoretical inputs. Even glass rains sideways in hurricane winds is just condensation and precipitation in an atmosphere. We have condensation and precipitation, we just have water instead of molten rock. Same process in different material, different outcome. Outro HD 189733b is 64 light years away. It is deep blue and would kill you faster than anything you have ever encountered. Its winds blow at Mach 7. It rains molten glass sideways constantly at speeds that would make the glass functionally indistinguishable from a weapon. It is also gorgeous, genuinely, purely, heartbreakingly gorgeous from a distance. The kind of blue that makes you want to cry if you saw it from space. A perfect cobalt sphere, serene, beautiful. Don't trust a pretty face in space, but do appreciate it from a safe distance. Like and subscribe. We'll be covering more beautiful death planets shortly.